Hello. All right, we're gonna do the next one. Next problem. Example 5. An elevator, a man of an elevator. A man of a mass of 80 kilograms is at the elevator. He stands up on a weight scale, Find the measure of the weight scale if the elevator is A moving up the equation, moving down the same equation, moving up at AY equals 4 meters per second squared, moving down of AY of negative 4 meters squared. E moving up with A equals negative 4 meters squared G squared. Arrive to floor 23. F moving down with A equals 4 meters per second squared, and it arrives to the basement, so to the lowest. Alright. Let's draw a person in an elevator so we could visualize what we're talking about, because everything probably you could visualize this, but it's better for me to do that. So we got a man in an elevator right here. Let's say, sorry for the deformity over here, but so acceleration. There's no acceleration at all. For positive or negative. Acceleration, no acceleration. So we're gonna do from the man or woman, we're going to measure the force he's giving up in newtons and the force that is pulling it down of mg. And we're gonna do the sum. We're gonna do the sum of F, the force, the sum of the forces equals the mass times acceleration of mass times acceleration. So at the end of this, what I'm trying to say is that the positive newtons minus the mg is the mp times ap. You might be wondering, what is p? Well, p is a unit that we're gonna use. It's a unit that will affect the mass and will affect the acceleration. But we got n equals mg, and from all of this, it will be n equals mg. Yep. All right. We're going to move on to the this is where it gets complicated now. We're gonna draw him again. And we're gonna see a better representation of this now. The other part was acceleration of 4 meters per second squared. So there is acceleration here of a equals 4 meters squared, 4 meters per second squared. So now this is doing some resistance. Yes. So let's draw newtons, and then mg, and a force. This is a force. So the resistance of the man, of what the man is doing, is greater than the weight itself of him. Yep. So in this case, the different equation, because of the n being more positive and the mg being more negative, it will be plus newtons minus mg. Yes. So we had gotten the values. So n equals mg plus ma. Mg mass times gravity plus mass times acceleration. So 80 times 10 plus 80 times 4. In this case, it's 800 plus 320, which will give you 1120 newtons. Yes, newtons. Yep. We're gonna go to the other part. Oh. That will be for, now, if it's negative, it will be the same thing, but just 800 minus 320. 800 minus 320 is 768. I'm sorry, 480. 480 if it was negative. So if negative, then 800 minus 320 equals 480 newtons. That's it. That's all there is to it. Thank you. We're gonna move on to the next exercise. The next exercise will be exercise 6.